What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. This video is brought to you on behalf of MYSZ Inc. MYSZ Inc. is an omni-channel e-commerce platform and provider of AI-driven apparel, sizing, and digital experience solutions. So in this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at the company, going over the stock chart, website, investor presentation, simply just to bring this company to your attention, give you a chance to do your own research and due diligence and potentially put it on your watch list. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Also, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. Always check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer, and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. With that being said, guys, I bring you MYSZ Inc. So let's take a look at the stock real quick. Over the last month, the stock's up 179.29%. Currently has a market cap of just 5.318 million US dollars, and it trades on the Nasdaq CM under ticker symbol MYSZ. A few more interesting points about the company. It's got a 52-week range of $1.05 all the way up to $7.94. Average trading volume of just over 2.1 million shares. So as we can see here, guys, the stock is up quite substantially over the last month. And over the last 5 days, it's ran 276%. So take a look at the company, do your own research and due diligence, see what's causing this move. But now we're going to get into the website, and that is MYSZid.com. Omnichannel smart tools for growing your business. Reduce returns, drives revenue and loyalty, increase conversion, and then AI data-driven. So what's MYSZ? Get your business growing. We are an omnichannel e-commerce platform and provider of AI-driven apparel, sizing, and digital experience solutions that drive revenue growth and reduce costs. All right, guys, so there's a quick little video explaining a little bit more about what the company does. You can find this right there on their website, MYSZid.com. Now we're going to head on over to their investor tab. So in their investor tab, you can find out all the stock related information. So let's take a quick look at this paragraph. I want to read this to you guys real quickly. So it began with an idea. The idea for MYSZ is a brainchild of the company's founders. While shopping for online clothes, we were frustrated with the hit or miss fit of different brands. And this frustration was augmented by the return process. A serial entrepreneur, Ronan, and his colleague reasoned that returns to retailers are a costly part of their business model, and upon looking at the problem from both sides, inspiration struck. So we can see all their press releases recently in terms of their financial reports, November 14th, 2024, general meetings. You can also find the investor fact sheet and the investor presentation, which we're going to quickly dive into right now. So let's take a quick look at their investor fact sheet before we dive into this investor presentation. So company overview. So MYSZ is a provider of AI-driven solutions for fashion and retail that drive revenue growth and reduce costs for its business clients, and an omni-channel e-commerce company. MYSZ's proprietary award-winning technologies, MYSZid and NAZFit, generate user-friendly and highly accurate measurements on any smartphone. These measurements are used to increase revenue and reduce returns in the $668 billion apparel market, where 70% of online apparel returns are due to size. So let's get into the investor presentation now, guys. Once again, to remind you, on the Nasdaq, ticker symbol MYSZ. So MYSZ is a provider of AI-driven solutions for fashion and retail that drive revenue growth and reduce costs for its business clients and an omni-channel e-commerce company. So multiple high-margin recurring revenue streams. So let's take a quick look at these. We got MYSZid and NAZFit. AI-driven measurement tech for accurate body measurements, improves online shopping experience and e-retailer ROI. Orgad, omni-channel high-growth e-commerce platform with supply chain and tech expertise in apparel business. Smart catalog, powering brand design teams with real-time customer sizing data to optimize a brand's product portfolio and inventory decisions. And First Look, mirror-like touch display that provides in-store customers an enhanced online shopping experience and contactless checkout. So why MYSZ now? Recent acquisitions, NYSZ Bespoke Technologies and Orgad International Marketing, boost MYSZ's financial performance and market position. 9-month revenues from the period of September 30th, 2023 were $4.166 million, a record for MYSZ, more than doubling over the same period last year. Q3 2023 revenues of $2.1 million, up nearly 200% over the same period last year. Strategic NAZFit acquisition positions MYSZ as a leader in digital apparel sizing solutions. Reaching commercial inflection point with global footprint, Clients include Levi's, Dockers, Speedo, US Polo Association, Moschino, DeSinguel, and more. Comparable companies acquired by major players Snap, Gap, Walmart, and Zalando at attractive valuations. When it comes to fashion and e-commerce, this market continues to grow. As per the information on this investor presentation, 2023, 821 billion. Fast forward to 2027, the market's expected to grow to 1.2 trillion, but selling clothes online is costly. 6 times more returns than in store, 70% of returns are fit related, 69% of the carts are abandoned. Value of returned items, 50% less. MYSZ ID and MYSZ Fit sizing solutions address the core problem. Shopper doubt and lack of confidence in size and fit goes to a robust end-to-end e-commerce model that builds consumer confidence, expand market and revenues. Top tier size solution retail partners. So you can see the companies that they're working with. Casual, you've got companies like Levi's, Dockers, lingerie, swim and sport, Speedo, Haas F1 team, luxury, Moschino. Feel free to pause this investor presentation at any point, but here is the information in terms of their top tier solution retail partners. Penti success story. So 600 stores, 35 countries, 4 million online customers, 30% online sales. They're up. So 1.15 million in additional revenues, 20% increase in order size, 50% reduction in returns, and 3 times transaction value among MYSZ users. Now a Levi's success story. 47% reduction in women's wear returns, 44% reduction in men's wear returns. Levi's, 6.2 billion in revenue for the fiscal year of 2022. Moschino success story. Plus 37% increase in average basket value, plus 112,000 users with personalized size recommendation, plus 800% increase in conversion rate compared to buyers who do not use our tool. That is MYSZ ID. MYSZ ID peer valuations. The same way Live Person's $4 billion valuation at 10x revenue, chat application transformed e-commerce by increasing conversion rates and decreasing costs. Sizing technology is gaining traction to do the same. Retailers are taking notice. Smart catalog. Solving size problems before they arise. So new product piloting with a current customer. Powering brand design teams with real-time customer sizing data to optimize a brand's product portfolio and inventory decisions. Transforming a fragmented market. Tester community try on clothing for fit and report feedback. Data is collected, organized, and analytics are delivered to brand. Helps to detect hidden size and fit challenges before product launch. Orgad, e-commerce platform for revenue growth. Acquired Q1 2022 and potentially the first of several accretive e-commerce acquisitions that can benefit from MYSZ's tech suite and drive company's revenue. Here's a bit more information about this portion of the business. Orgad integrating MYSZ ID across its e-commerce ecosystem to increase operational profits and accelerate adoption of MYSZ ID. Q3 2023 revenues of 2 million, 3 months, with untapped potential to expand. Manages over 100 SKUs in fashion, apparel, and shoes, with capacity to increase to tens of thousands of SKUs. Selling across multiple platforms, including Amazon, eBay, and others. Scalable revenue model with rapid growth potential. Extends MYSZ's reach into physical stores, capitalizes on hybridization of consumer shopping experience, key strategic differentiator for MYSZ in the e-commerce size measurement space, omnichannel support to sell into physical stores of its current e-commerce MYSZ ID customer base, enhanced shopping experience for retail customers, increased sales and reduced returns for physical store retailers, and their revenue model, $8,000 to $12,000 per unit plus $160 monthly recurring fee. So here we have an image of that product. Quite cool. So always do your thorough research and due diligence on the team, on the company. My best advice is, take a look at their recent press releases. Take a look at their financials. This is all part of the research and due diligence that you should be doing on a company. If you like their idea, an idea is great. And, I think that this idea sounds very innovative, potentially scalable. But at the end of the day, the numbers are the most important thing that, in my opinion, you should focus on. So always, before making any financial decisions, do your own research and due diligence. But this is quite an interesting company. because they aim to, leverage their platform and AI to make e-commerce more efficient. And we do know that e-commerce is a rapidly growing industry, expected to grow into the over, $1 trillion total addressable market. So very interesting company, but always do your research and due diligence, especially, with the smaller cap companies, because they can be very volatile, both to the upside and to the downside. In this company's case, recently, it's had a very positive week, very positive month, but these stocks tend to be much more volatile than larger cap stocks, so always keep that in mind, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are interested in this company, consider putting MYSZ on your watch list. Thank you so much, guys, and we'll see you in our next video.